Today, the Ford Mondeo is refusing to move. Not because the engine's knackered, although it is, but because the handbrake has seized on. Typically in such scenarios, I use a special technique called brute force and ignorance, so let's see how that goes. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Now, I tried to move the car about 5 minutes ago, but it just bogged down, and I think it's this wheel that's jammed, the offside rear, but I'm not sure. It might be the left side instead, or perhaps as well. Actually, before we get too violent, let's operate the handbrake a few times. Because you never know, that might release it. Don't cross your fingers though. So let's try again, and if the handbrake is still seized, we'll have to jam the car in reverse, give it a million revs and just force it out, and hopefully that will free things up. So let's see if the car will start again. This is 50-50 because the battery is, shall we say, suboptimal. Okay, flat battery, hang on. Luckily we have a jump pack. So let's connect that thing up. Okay, fingers crossed. Best check we're in neutral because we don't want any mishaps. Right, come on car, you can do it. Hooray! So let's try our luck. Oh, that is reverse gear. The handbrake is off. Come on, car. You can do it. No, we're still stuck. Come on, car. If you're thinking the engine sounds rough, yes, it does. Right, let's give it loads of revs. Oh, don't cut out, car. We'll give it loads of revs and try and force it backwards. Come on. Come on. Come on, car. Come on. Oh, something broke free. Cool, don't cut out. So we're free, but I'm hoping we haven't dug too much of a trench in the gravel. Have a look for me, will you? How is it? Are we okay? Yes, we're okay, and that's good news because many years ago I had another car parked about here that had a frozen handbrake too, and dragging that thing out left a 3-foot gash along there. The joy of cars. Right, I think we're okay now, but just to be sure, we'll leave the handbrake off and see if we can push the car. And let's not turn the engine off for this because it probably won't start again. All right, come on car, you should now roll. No problem, but we should stop before we crash into the Vauxhall Corsa. And that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time, probably in some other broken old heap. Bye.